Introduction of Yasir Shami. In this article, I will tell you the biography, age, wiki, height, education, and much more about Yasir Shami. So, if you want to get some information about famous journalist Yasir Shami, keep reading article till the end. Yasir Shami. Yasir Shami is a Pakistani TV channel host, mimicry artist, journalist, and actor. He is currently living in Lahore, Pakistan. Currently, he is a host of TV channel Daily Pakistan. Biography. Full name Yasir Shami, first name Yasir, last name Shami, born in Pakistan, nationality Pakistan, residence Lahore, Pakistan, religion Islam, passion channel host, the host of Daily Pakistan, favorite personality Iqrarul Hasan, qualification degree in visual arts, education National College of Arts Lahore, marital status single not married, income in six figures, career. He starts his career with Geo. He is mischievous guy. He becomes famous due to his mischief. He got famous and boost with his performance Dollar Liya To Baat Bani. After this, Yasir Shami is liked by most people. According to Yasir Shami, he had spent his first 2 years very tough for talking interviews of different people, but when he got fame, then people called him to take her interview. Audience. His most of the audience is from Pakistan, but he is also like the people of foreign countries due to his humorous personality. Content. His mostly videos consist of interviews of different people from different classes. He made videos of those foreign girls who marry Pakistani guys. Yasir Shami also helped those people who are helpless by making her videos. Education. Resident, Residing in Lahore, he completed his MPhil and completed a degree in visual arts from the National College of Arts Lahore.